Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you everything that you need to know to get started with the GXBank Malaysia app. And I'll cover how to register for the app, and then how to deposit funds into the GXBank app, and then how to order a physical debit card, the physical GXBank card, and then finally how to use the GXBank card, the app, with the Grab app. So without any further delay, let's dive right into it. So now before signing up for the GXBank, you can download the GXBank app by going to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store to download the app. Then in the app, if you haven't created an account, tap this purple button. Then you need to key in your mobile number to receive your OTP code. This is to check your eligibility and to help you set up your account with your mobile. After that, create your bank PIN. So this is like your other local or international banks. Create your 6-digit PIN. Then if you are an iPhone user, you can also turn on your Face ID. And if you want to receive notifications and stay updated from GXBank, you can turn on notifications here as well. And then if you have a referral code, you can enter it here. You can find my referral code in the link in the description below. If not, that means you don't have the referral code, you can continue on with the application, to which you need to take a photo of your original MyCard, both front and back. If you've done a lot of online and app application, this should be a familiar process for you. And then on to the usual video recording to verify if you are a real person. Then after that, you have to complete your personal information. So here, input your name on your MyCard. MyCard here refers to your name in your NRIC. This is for Malaysia applicants. And then put in your MyCard number and then your email address. Then you ask here, are you a tax resident of any foreign country, or a US citizen or resident or taxpayer? If you are not, then click no. Then tap next to complete your financial information. So here, select the purpose of creating an account, whether it's for everyday transaction or savings, and then the employment type. So the employment type is government servant or private sector employee or retired or self-employed or student or unemployed. And I find it interesting here that unemployed is equivalent or the same as being a housewife or house husband. Anyway, if you are employed or self-employed, select your occupation, then enter employer or business name, and then select the nature of business, and then put in your monthly income, and then tap next to progress. Then here, take a moment to read and confirm the below, and then finally enter your preferred name. So in the preferred name here, I put in my full official name because this is an official document and application. Then next, now we want to add money into our GXBank account. So it's a very straightforward and easy process. With Do It Now, you can transfer almost any amount and from any Malaysian bank to your GXBank account within minutes. So after we have deposited money into our GXBank account, this here in the GXBank app, this is the home screen. As we can see here, it's very clean and direct on what is presented here to us. So I'm going to verify my email address. I verified my mobile number earlier. So here in home screen, tap verify now. Then in your profile and an email address, tap verify. And to verify, go to your email address to get your 6-digit email verification OTP. Copy the OTP and then paste the code from your email address here back in your GXBank app to be verified. And then now after we have done the verification, now we're going to order the GXBank card. So in the home screen, tap collect now and then pull down the screen to review your card. So you can enter your preferred name. I'm going to input my full name to make things easier. You can also create a virtual card, but now I'm still going to order my physical card. Here, input your mailing address, and then we are done with the order for the physical card. So very quickly, within the same week, I received my GXBank card. So this is how my GXBank card looks like. So when your card has arrived, you still need to activate the card. It's like any credit card you receive by mail, you need to activate and create a PIN for the card. So back in your GXBank app, in the home screen, go to activate your card, then tap activate now. And when you activate your card, you want to take note that in GXBank, there are two 6-digit PIN. One is for your app. Whenever you do any important movements in the app, for example like now, we are activating for the card, we have to key in the 6-digit PIN which we created earlier. The second digit PIN which we are doing now, which is it for your card, this will be your card PIN. So whenever you use your card outside, you need to enter the 6-digit PIN, and this is your 6-digit card PIN. So every time when you buy items online or at the physical shop and you need to swipe the card or put in the card for payment, this is when you key in your 6-digit PIN. So you can create two separate PIN, one for the app and one for the card. Or maybe like for convenience sake, you can create the same identical 6-digit PIN for the app and for the card. So you don't have to be confused and remember two different set of numbers. Instead, there's one 6-digit PIN for the app and for the card to make things easier for you. And then if you're traveling overseas or you travel frequently for work overseas, you can turn on the overseas transaction feature in the app now or maybe later. And then in the app here, you can also do a lot of other things. You can set up your card for online transactions or overseas transactions as mentioned earlier, and then manage your daily transaction limit and update your card PIN. And you can also manage your limit for a range of transaction types. This is to give you the additional security with the GXBank app. So now, why the GXBank app and the GXBank card? As of this recording, when you deposit in GXBank, you earn 3% per annum daily interest in your savings account. Here I deposited 100 ringgit and I'm earning about 1 cent per day. So of course, if you deposit more, you can earn more. But do take note that up to 250,000 ringgit savings per deposit is PIDM insured. Then when you deposit at least 88 ringgit, you stand to earn 8 ringgit in cashback. Then when you spend, you get to earn unlimited 1% cashback. And since Grab, they own Giant Grocer, when you shop at Giant Grocer retail outlets, you get to enjoy extra Grab rewards, and that is 1.5 times of Grab rewards. And then if you're spending overseas using the GXBank card, there are no foreign transaction fees and no markup on the exchange rate. And then if you're ordering food or ordering a Grab car, you can also pay with your GX card. You can link your GX card to your Grab app, and you can do it in the Finance tab of your Grab app or when you order food through your Grab as I'm showing you here. So that's it on the GXBank app and the GXBank card. I hope you found this video helpful, and for more videos like this in real estate or in finance or in investing or in home and living, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel.